Hi, today we'll learn how you can filter really quickly data in WPS spreadsheet. You can use here AutoFilter to do it. So for example, we have here 3 columns with seller name, region and sales value. If we want to use here AutoFilter, we need to select here all data, and then we need to go to Data tab and we need to click on AutoFilter. Then we need to go to AutoFilter option. And now you can see that the arrows have been displayed here. So if we want to sort it quickly, for example, by region, we need to click on this arrow. And for example, I would like to have only rows from the north region. So I need to uncheck other options. So I uncheck east, south and west. And I have here only checked north. So I click OK button. And then we will get rows from north region. Of course, we can go back to other settings by clicking on this option. And here we need to select option, select all, and we need to click OK button. And now maybe I will try to sort by seller. So I click on this one arrow. And for example, I click on this one option to uncheck all rows. And for example, I would like to have only rows with Martin. So I check it and I click OK button. Yeah. So then we will get the Martin seller with region and sales value. And the last option I recommend you to try will be based on sales value, but now I will check here all options to get the all sellers data. And now I click on the arrow in the sales value. And for example, I can add here number filter. So I click on number filter. And if we want to get the lowest sales value, we need to go to less than. And for example, I type here maybe if sales value is less than 4,000, I want it to be displayed. So I click OK button, and how you see, now we have here all sales value below 4,000. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use AutoFilter in WPS spreadsheet, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.